My name is Efren Bueno and I'm owner of Bueno Roofing. We've been in business for about 2 years now. Started with helping my dad right off of high school. I worked my way up. I became owner. We started the company and we're looking forward to meet new customers and bring everything that we have to offer. I enjoy roofing because me personally, I always like working outside and doing physical work. So whenever I found out about the industry and since I was a smaller kid, my goal was to be able to nail the shingles with the gun. That was my big inspiration when I was helping my dad as a young high schooler. And now that I did it for, a year now, I told my dad we got to get, going on starting our own company. The industry is just really big. With us here in Houston, one of the things that inspired me to bring my own roofing company was that a lot of the Hispanics that I know pretty much don't understand the insurance side of the trade. So I made it one of my commitments to pretty much start out my roofing company and help out our Hispanic people and all types of people, really, just to understand that if you have damage in your roof, that roofing contractors can actually help you through the process to understand it a lot better than just doing a simple repair. I'm still working with my dad. My dad is pretty much full-time. I handle all the sales, all the contracts, pretty much all the back end, and he's pretty much always on the field installing and making sure that the group is doing a good job. When you hire Bueno Roofing, you can expect to hire a contractor with the badge that counts, that means something, that stands behind their work. And with Directorii backing up or with a $20,000 guaranteed, you can expect great service and professional service and a solid contractor that's going to get it done. My advice to a homeowner that's looking for a contractor is really just to do a little bit of your homework. Look at those reviews on Google and make sure that you understand that it is one of the most important things in your home is your roof. So you want to make sure that you hire somebody that's going to get the job done well.